Innovation in pesticides has come a long way in the past 60 years, leading to significant improvements in product safety. For example, plant scientists are inventing new active ingredients, the part that makes pesticides work, that meet farmers' needs and society's expectations. They use cutting-edge technology to screen tens of thousands of potential active ingredients until they find one with the right properties. This precise work of scientists is paying off. Today's pesticides not only meet strict safety regulations, they often far exceed them. In addition, many pesticides used today have natural origins. Both organic and conventional farmers can use these biological pesticides. Biologicals include products derived from fermentation, microbes, and pheromones. Over the past 20 years, the rate of biological product introduction has frequently exceeded that of synthetic products, and the industry is set to invest around $300 million in the sector in 2019. Our continued commitment to innovation means today's pesticides are safer than ever, meeting both farmers and society's needs.